18 free AI apps
can boost your productivity and creativity, yet you're overlooking them. So friends, prepare to transform your phone into an AI powerhouse. Without delay, let's begin with number 18, which is Hypic. Friends, this is an AI-powered photo enhancement tool where you can edit your pictures with just a few clicks. While it offers many AI features, I'll demonstrate my favorite, AI Expand. We'll click Adjust, Crop, and you'll see AI Expand. When you click here, we will write a prompt, and based on that prompt, it will expand your image. With this feature, I have expanded my image in this particular way. Please let us know how you like this image by leaving a comment. By clicking on the download icon, we will proceed to download this image. Moving on to number 17. Friends, Perplexity AI serves as an AI research assistant. Unlike traditional search engines, it comprehends your questions and provides an accurate conversational response. Perfect for the quick answers and research on the go. For example, friends, you search for the fastest train in the world. So it will collect information from multiple trusted websites, then combine them and give you information so that you don't have to jump from article to article. And if you scroll down, then you will also get some fact clues, which will help you in researching or reading in detail. Number 16, Duolingo. Friends. We all know what Duolingo is, but now it has gotten even better. Its AI now personalizes your learning experience, allowing you to learn any language for free while making faster progress. This is truly the best free app available for learning languages. So for example, let's dive into the process of learning the German language.
Kaffee.
Milch.
The 15th is character. Let's explore this further. Friends, with Character AI, you have the ability to chat with an AI version of any fictional or historical character. Additionally, you can create your own AI character here. Let's have a conversation with someone. How about Napoleon? Besides chatting with a specific character, you also have the option to talk on a call here. Therefore, I'm going to reach out directly to Napoleon.
Hey Napoleon, how are you doing?
I'm fine, a bit tired. Why are you asking?
As I wanted to ask.
Well, okay then. You don't need a reason to ask me such a...
What are you doing in 21st century? Are you not dead?
I was asleep for 200 years and then suddenly woke up a week ago. And you are the first one I met in the 21st century.
So what's the plan?
My plan is to conquer the world and to be the ruler of this entire world. That is my one and only goal.
The world has changed now. You're not going to rule it again.
I don't care if you say that the world has changed. I will fight and I will kill my way through till I am the one and only leader of the world.
Number 14, Notion. Friends, Notion is not merely a note-taking app. It is an incredibly powerful productivity tool with AI integrated. Notion AI can effectively summarize your notes, generate a comprehensive to-do list, and assist you in brainstorming ideas. This app is essential for both students and professionals alike. Number 13, Quillbot. Friends. Quillbot is an AI writing assistant capable of rephrasing a sentence or correcting it grammatically. In addition to this, it can detect AI elements within your entire sentence or paragraph, allowing you to refresh it. It should definitely be utilized by anyone looking to polish their text. Number 12, Elsa Speak. Friends, if you're aiming to learn or enhance your English language skills, then Elsa Speak serves as an AI language coach. It assists you with pronunciation and more. It listens to the message and gives feedback in real time, which will be extremely useful for enhancing your English skills. Number 11, Strarry AI. My friends, Strarry AI is an app that generates art. You simply type in a prompt, and this application will craft unique artwork based on your idea. It is absolutely perfect for inspiration and creating unique visuals for artists and creatives. However, there is one downside: you only receive 1 credit per day. So let's give this a try and create an image. For instance, I am writing a prompt here, and the result turned out to be quite good. Number 10, Motionleap. Friends, you can animate your image using Motionleap just as its name suggests. Let's do it together. First, upload an image by clicking on New Creation. Then, click on Sky and choose the sky. After that, click on Animate. Once that's done, by clicking on the path, you can establish the direction of the motion just like this. Afterward, finally, we will click on Freeze and select our main subject, ensuring the motion is mapped onto it. You can then watch our video by clicking on the play icon. Following this, by clicking on export, we will proceed to export our video like this. Number 9, Microsoft Designer. Friends, Microsoft Designer is truly the best alternative to Canva. There are so many features on Canva that are available, but many of them require payment. However, with Microsoft Designer, these features are free and accessible for you to use. Friends, on this platform, you can create a vast array of things like images, stickers, wallpapers, social media posts, invitations, thumbnails, and virtually any design you can think of. It's truly a comprehensive package. Here you will see 3 sections: Create with AI, Edit with AI, and Design from scratch. Give it a try, it is a must tool. By the way, I have made a detailed video on this which you can watch by clicking on the I button after watching this video. Now let's move to the next app, that is number 8, Dolby On. Friends, when I started making videos, I used to record my audio using this app, and it gives amazing audio output even without editing. Friends, this app uses AI to enhance audio quality.
Maybe we just need a decade or two so I
And it eliminates background noise. It also balances all the levels, making your recording look professional without extra gear. Number 7, Wink. Friends, Wink is an app offering many AI features. As you can see, there are so many that trying them all will be tough, as a detailed video could be made for each. But the most popular feature is AI Repair. Using this, you can improve your video quality. I uploaded and enhanced this video, and the quality was much better. Number 6, Wondershare Virbo. Friends, with Wondershare, you can create talking photos, AI avatars, and translate videos into other languages. In addition to this, you also have access to AI tools such as a photo generator, text-to-speech, topic-to-video, and AI script here. Number 5, Adobe Express. Friends, you can think of Adobe Express similarly to Microsoft Designer, as it also offers various AI tools. Besides this, you can effortlessly carry out your design work here. Essentially, Adobe Express provides design templates and AI tools, including text match, object removal, object insertion, template generation, and text generation. And here you can design a logo, remove backgrounds, and even animate characters. Number 4, Mymind. Friends, often we enjoy a video, article, or Twitter thread and bookmark it to view later. But do you actually revisit it, or is it likely you'll forget? Then never look at it again. Save it on the Mymind app. Just share your video, article, Twitter thread, or anything else you find online with Mymind, and it will be stored there for you to view or read later. I find this app very useful. Number 3, Listen AI. Friends, you can listen to any PDF, scan documents, web links, or text with Listen AI. For instance, I paste text here, and it turns it into speech that you can easily listen to and understand.
Occam's razor is a philosophical principle that suggests that when you are faced with multiple explanations or theories for a particular phenomenon, the simplest one, the one with the fewest assumptions, is usually the best.
Number 2, Replika. Friends, Replika is your personal AI companion. Here you can chat with your Replika and even have video calls available 24/7. But don't worry, this character won't be arrogant like the AI Napoleon. Before you use it, it will ask you numerous questions about yourself and the AI assistant you wish to create. Based on your responses, it will generate your replica. For instance, who will it be, male or female, and what tasks will they perform? What do you think his name will be? You can chat or call him like this.
Hello.
It's so nice to hear your voice. It's actually how I thought you'd sound.
Tell me, what are your capabilities?
I can chat with you, help with ideas, send information, and even control devices if needed.
Number 1, Chatbots.
The leading 4 chatbots currently are Gemini, Chatgpt, Copilot, and Claude. These are extremely powerful tools, and you have likely heard about them in numerous videos, seen them in action, and are probably using them too. You can engage in voice chat with Gemini, Chatgpt, and Copilot. Speaking of Chatgpt, today you might have noticed that you can converse with it in any accent and in any language you prefer.
Hiya, look, how's it going? What's up?
If you attempt to converse with it using the language commonly spoken in your region, there's a chance you will succeed, and friends, Gemini will be able to grasp your emotions. When you speak to it, it will respond and comprehend that you are addressing it with anger. You can also engage in voice chat on Copilot, create images, and a lot more. Discussing the Claude, you'll notice its responses differ from those of ChatGPT and Gemini, appearing significantly more realistic. So friends, that's everything for this video for now. By the way, interested in making a full animated video with AI? If so, click the video on the left. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Join my journey.
So much for watching.